Alright, so we're just continuing from last video we made. Most of these Call of Duty videos were made on freaking 2011, and hoping you enjoy. We have 2 Pack-a-Punch guns. And
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So, hope we don't die. That's all I gotta tell you guys. My cousin got this back door right here. I hope he doesn't die.
It's like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Get it? Yeah, get it. So, get the fuck out of here.
My cousin bottom screen Pack-a-Punch both of his guns. Eddie, did you Pack-a-Punch both of your guns?
Just stakeout.
Stakeout?
We have ammo now.
Max ammo. And my cousin on the top only upgraded it. Pack-a-Punch to stakeout.
We originally tried to get there's this glitch for the PS3 where you Pack-a-Punch a raid, or you get a raid, which is a Pack-a-Punch stakeout. And oh, I don't hear a phone.
It's right here.
Alright, get it. Hold it. Okay. So we got 2 of the phones to get the Eminem song.
Where do you think the other one should be?
So what we're doing right now was about that glitch. We tried, it doesn't work on here. What it basically is you get a Pack-a-Punch and it turns out to be a raid. You can buy ammunition from the wall. I didn't think they patched it for this, but I was just doing it earlier on my PS3. So we just got double points.
Today's Saturday?
Today's Saturday, and about, what time is it, Ben? Do you have your phone? Where's your phone at? Oh, you put it back, you knew. What'd you do with it? Dude, get your phone. Where's your phone? So, this is kind of embarrassing, guys, but it's about 5 in the morning.
Alright.
It's,
about 5:15.
It's 5:15, so yeah, we're being tweakers, and we're just little kids. Oh, not really little kids, we're 14 and freaking 15. So, we're just gonna show you this till we die. This is kind of a gay strategy because we don't have 4 people, so now we're on round 11. And, hopefully if the doctor comes, Eddie, we gotta run upstairs. Okay, he's not coming.
He comes again?
He comes like the dogs. He's basically the dog of map 5.
I hate that guy.
Except the dogs go more often.
People are probably gonna think I'm stupid now because you're saying that.
Huh?
So people are probably
Well, you don't play this all the time, dude. You just play
I don't play
online.
zombies, I just play Oh, nice. This one I needed too.
Insta-kill. So, I really need some fucking ammo. Really freaking bad. Oh, hell yeah, Death Machine.
Oh, you're lucky, bastard.
Now he comes. So, supposedly there's this glitch my cousin knows. I will try to get it to you, but I don't know when the next time I'll see him. And plus, he doesn't have online right now, so it only works while you have 3 to 4 players. It's a glitch where you get infinite ammo and max ammo and all that other crap. So, alright, Eddie, get ready to run over here. Just get ready.
Think the doctor's gonna come back? Probably 12 is gonna be right now. Told you.
Crap, go upstairs,
Told
go
you.
upstairs, just run upstairs.
I knew it.
Eddie, you have to kill him, he's probably going after me. Oh shit, he's going after me, oh my god!
Just stay your M14.
I know. So he's chasing after me, as you can see. You know he's chasing after you because he has the
He's going fast as fuck, bro.
So he fucking just got me right now, and so he's gonna go after my cousin. Now run. Get the hell out of there. Just get the hell out of there before he... So I just killed him right now.
My bad, man.
Alright, so I got my ammo back, my guns back, and let's go see if we can go downstairs.
Where's the money? Where's the box then?
One at a time. So we're gonna go, and I have no freaking idea where we're at right now, but...
Shit, man. What the fuck am I going here for? You're getting a quick about shit.
Alright, okay, I got you. Right here. Alright, let's go down the elevator.
In the Navy for years, never tasted anything that fishy.
Alright, so...
Who cut the cheese?
Alright, so we're gonna go back downstairs, and we're originally just...
Round 13.
This is actually, we're just gonna stay up here. So we're just gonna try to stay over here in this area right here. Eddie, you get that way, and no, look, stay right here, and I get right here. So I just got very lucky, and I got the death machine again.
Oh my god, man. Come on.
Hey.
I'm getting pissed right now. Let me death machine.
Get my back.
Eddie's like, crap.
So I got all these little noob zombies, and
Yeah, those points he's getting, man. That's not fair.
insta kill too. So
Oh my god. No, this is my guys right here.
so
Spawn. Yes, I'm your
so we're actually doing freaking pretty good right now.
Dude, look at all Nick's points. Eddie.
So right now we're
$1,000.
gonna stay up here. So I don't know.
Could have sworn I heard a phone right now. Like,
We gotta find that second phone. I mean, that third phone.
Okay, let's go. Just stay on the top rail. Let's go.
you guys already got them.
Max ammo.
So I'm about to die right now. So
You gotta look
You
this way.
almost
I got
died.
lucky as hell.
Shit.
just begun.
The fuck? Then why did I go on my strike after?
So I just died, and my cousin's just about to die.
Round 14.
Round 14, it was unexpected though. So we weren't really planning for this. We would have
We're
got.
just trying to get that.
We were just trying to get some freaking proof something. So
Look at all those fuckers right there.
as you can see, all the little guys.
Freaking
on the top.
retarded.
They all die right there.
Alright, this is the end of the video.
So this is basically the end and the start of a new video. So nice to know you, and subscribe.